Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister designate of Delhi, is set to break away from traditions as he gets set to take oath tomorrow for office. Kejriwal and the MLAs with him from the Aam Aadmi Party will be taking the Delhi Metro to Ram Leela Maidan, where the ceremony is going to be held. Remember, Kejriwal has already rejected Z category security, and now he is all set to ride to power using Delhi Metro.
देखते हैं लेकिन मेट्रो से जाएंगे जी शपथ लेने के लिए। सारे मंत्री हम मेट्रो से जाएंगे शपथ लेने के लिए।
Javed Ansari is still with us. You just heard Arvind Kejriwal say that all the members of Aam Aadmi Party, the MLAs too, and those who are going to be inducted in the cabinet will be taking metro to Ram Leela Maidan tomorrow to take oath. Good symbolism there, Javed, isn't it?
Well, indeed it is, and it is in line with everything that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and his party have been saying. They say that we are a party with a difference. We will shun the trappings of power. No, we are not going to travel in official cars. We won't use red lights. We don't need police escorts. So we don't even need to stay in government bungalows. All this is they want to position themselves as a party with a difference, in contrast to the Congress as well as the other established parties like the BJP, the BAG, and all the others. How far they are able to carry this and continue with this it remains to be seen. And this is showing a mirror to the rest of the parties. But for now, yes, Mr. Kejriwal and his party are trying to drive home the point, continuously trying to do so, that they are a party with a difference, totally distinct from all the other established parties.
And of course, Kejriwal leading by example there. Thank you very much, Javed, for joining us. So after Arvind Kejriwal refused Z category security, his party MLAs have refused to use red beacons on their vehicles. The red beacon syndrome, in fact, has been an inseparable part of India's political culture, and this refreshing move from the Aam Aadmi Party leaders is definitely going to be a welcome change. Well, red beacon vehicles are also infamous, of course, for holding up traffic for long hours. This move by the Aam Aadmi Party, whose Chief Minister designate will be taking over tomorrow, stands in sharp contrast to the long entourage and imported vehicles that are usually seen at the Chief Minister's meeting called by Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi.